Hello and welcome, staff at Riverside USD 114. Today we are going to take a look at cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? It is no different than any other type of bullying except that it happens online. It is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten another person. And it can use any form of electronic technology. Now we're going to take a look at some forms of online harassment or cyberbullying. It could be embarrassing screenshots, photos, or videos. Second, it could be trolling someone in an online game. Third, it could be nasty messages, whether that be text message or email. It could be someone making up a fake profile about a person. It could also be posting rumors and false information about someone. Or purposeful exclusion. And lastly, it could be cyber stalking. What would be a person's reasons for cyberbullying? They could be giving someone a hard time or making fun of someone's appearance. They could be making fun of or belittling them about academic achievement. They could be talking about one's race or sexuality or financial status or someone's religion. And lastly, it could be any form of cyberbullying that they can think of to put someone down. Let's look at some effects of cyberbullying. Number one would be depression or extreme feelings of sadness. Number two, a student could start skipping school because they don't want to be around that certain person. They could begin getting bad grades because they're not doing their work or don't want to do their work. They could begin having mental health issues, or they could become a bully themselves. And lastly, they could go so far that they attempt suicide or want to take their own life. What is our responsibility as teachers? Number one, we need to teach online safety skills. We need to build and teach empathy and understanding. We need to teach strategies to reject digital abuse and teach our students how to handle that. And number four, we need to not ignore, and we need to report any known cyberbullying to administration. And then lastly, and most importantly, I think that we need to teach the golden rule. We need to teach students that they need to treat others how they would like to be treated. Here are my references. Thank you so much for listening. Let's do our best to fight cyberbullying in our district. Take care.